Hello everyone. Students, today I am going to start one of my most favorite chapter of your Moments book. As you can see on the screen, the name of the chapter is The Last Leaf. The author of this story is O. Henry. You will know first the introduction of O. Henry and then I will explain that what the chapter is about. Okay? So moving to the first slide. This is the first page of the chapter, and this page will give you the information related with O. Henry. So the name of the author is O. Henry. He was born in United States, and this chapter, The Last Leaf, this story, The Last Leaf, was published in 1907, and this was the collection. This was the part of the collection, The Trimmed Lamp and the Other Stories. So this is not a single book. This chapter is not a single book. This chapter, this story is the part of the collection, The Trimmed Lamp and Other Stories. Okay. I will give you something more about O. Henry. Wait for the next slide. Yeah. In this page you can see that the image of O. Henry. He is O. Henry. William Sidney Potter is the actual name of O. Henry, and he had adopted the pen name, and that pen name was O. Henry. Pen name means sometime it was seen that the writer hide their identity and they took the pen name. Okay, and using the pen name they wrote the stories. Similarly, William Sidney Potter had taken the pen name O. Henry, and he wrote so many short stories, and his stories are exceptionally outstanding, and even you will see in his all short stories a special twist at the end. Okay, even in this story, The Last Leaf, you will see, if you will read line by line the stories, then you will see the twist at the end, all almost unexpected. You can't imagine that this kind of ending is possible. Okay, I will explain the twist taken by O. Henry in this chapter, but you must know that this person is famous for the creating the story out of the reader's imagination. That's why he is so famous for its twist at the end of the story. And his some famous stories are The Ransom of Red Chief, The Gift of Maggie. These are some famous work, and this chapter, The Last Leaf, is very famous. You can see some cinematic expression adoption of this chapter also. Even in India, Bollywood, one movie, and in that movie, I think Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha, and that movie name I'm not getting, but this person, this story was taken as a cinematic adaptation in that movie, and that was there was Ranveer Singh and Sonakshi Sinha. I will give you the name, and the name is in my bottom, but I'm not able to recall the name. What was the name? There was a song which was very famous, Sawar Lu, like this way. And in that movie, Sonakshi Sinha and Ranveer Singh was the main star cast. I think you all can got the name, but there was a very famous song, Sawar Lu, like this way, in the female voice. Okay, and in that movie, I have seen this O. Henry twist, The Last Leaf. Okay, the full movie is not based on the movie story, but the ending of the movie is based on this story. Okay, so next time when you will see this movie, see this song. This was a very famous song, and I'm not getting the name of that movie. And this movie was based on O. Henry Twist. That means you will see the filmy ending in this story. Okay, so wait for the next slide. Okay, students, in this chapter you will see the language elements, especially for the modal auxiliaries verb, modal auxiliaries, neither nor, both, neither or, this. Okay, and the preposition, use of the prepositions with the very smart use of suffixes and prefixes. So I'm just ending my today's class here. This language element you have to find out from the chapter, means I am giving you a homework. Read the chapter line by line and wait for my next class. I will give you the explanation of the chapter with my comment and yes, O. Henry Twist. But you have to read the chapter first and try to find out that what the chapter is trying to say, what are the characters, what is the storyline, and why I am just appreciating this chapter so much, why this chapter is why this story and chapter is special for me, my one of the most favorite chapter in your book. Okay, so you must read this chapter and try to find out that what is the actually presentation by Mr. Twister O. Henry. Okay, so this is enough for the today's class. Enjoy learning. Have a nice day.